Welcome! Today we're going to replace the belt in your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Allow the machine to cool for 10 minutes. Open the front cover. Pull out the drum unit. Remove the drum unit using the handles marked in green. Place the drum unit on scrap paper. Grab the belt by the green handle, being careful not to touch the surface of the belt. Lift the belt upward and then remove it from the machine. Remove the replacement belt from the packaging. Being careful not to touch the surface of the belt, install it in the machine. Replace the drum unit into the machine. Close the front cover. On the touchscreen, press and hold the toner icon for 5 seconds. On the Reset menu, select the belt option. Then press Yes. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.